Blood orange essential oil. Have you ever used this oil before? Hi, Katie from Simply Earth, and I am going to be telling you all about blood orange essential oil in this video. I'll talk about its benefits, how to use it, and make sure you know how to use it safely. Blood orange essential oil comes from the peel of a blood orange. A blood orange is an orange that's generally smaller, and it has more red color to it and has red pigment inside of it. Blood orange smells a little bit different than a typical orange too. It's a little less sweet and has a slightly floral note to it. Blood orange essential oil is uplifting and energizing. Put it in a diffuser to help uplift your mood. This energizing and uplifting quality it has can help soothe stress. I have an anxiety away inhaler recipe that I think you'll really like. I will link to it in the blog in the description box. Another benefit of blood orange essential oil is that it repels insects. You can pair it with lemon eucalyptus to make a great natural bug spray. You can also use this oil to clean. Make a DIY cleaner that has this bright citrus scent that will make your space smell fresh and clean it. Blood orange essential oil is good at fighting inflammation. You can use it to help soothe pain. Let's talk about how this oil works. Blood orange essential oil is largely made up of the naturally occurring chemical called D-limonene. This chemical is common among citrus fruits. It helps give energy, stimulates your immune system, relieves pain, and more. Alright, now that you know ways to use this oil, how it works, let's make sure you know how to use it safely. Blood orange essential oil is unlikely to cause irritation. Just make sure to dilute it before you put it on your skin. You can use it with kids aged 2 and up. Avoid using this essential oil with cats. Cats don't do well with citrus oils, but you can use this oil around dogs. Whenever you're using an essential oil, make sure you leave the door open so your pet can leave if the aroma disturbs them. Thanks for watching. I'm Katie. To learn more about essential oils, remember to hit subscribe and tell us why you love blood orange essential oil in the comments below. Thanks for watching.